Hoppler Professional Networking Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get professional networking platforms wrong. They assume they are just for job searching. The surprising truth about Hoppler is that it combines networking, community engagement, and local collaboration. And you won't believe how it helps professionals connect beyond LinkedIn. Here's how it works. Hoppler allows users to join neighborhood or professional networks, share updates, post opportunities, and participate in discussions. It emphasizes building local connections, fostering collaboration, and discovering projects for partners nearby. For example, a freelance designer could connect with local businesses looking for creative services, join neighborhood projects, and expand their client base organically. Most people get this wrong. They assume online networking is global only, but Hoppler focuses on meaningful local connections. Additional features include event announcements, community polls, and message boards for collaboration. Users praise simplicity, engagement, and the ability to meet like-minded professionals in their area. However, there are considerations. Growth depends on local adoption, and some networks may be less active in certain regions. Most people assume all networking platforms function the same. Hoppler blends professional and community networking uniquely. In conclusion, Hoppler is ideal for professionals seeking local engagement, collaborations, and a platform to build meaningful connections in their neighborhood or industry. Subscribe for more honest reviews of networking platforms and tools.